Hi guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share with you the difference between interactive poker and TD Ameritrade is also called Think or Stream TOS. Just recently that there is a major changes between these two. In TD Ameritrade, they are just announced that they are going to offer zero commissions for all the stock that in the US market. And then for the interactive poker, they are just set up the office in Singapore. So they are both are now is a Singapore MAS regulated. You can go to the MAS website and check, and they are both are regulated. So you don't need to worry about that. Interactive poker is not a regulated poker. So let's dive in. First, this video is purely based on my research and for educational purpose because I'm not the financial advisor. I cannot advise you which broker that you're going to use. Okay, first, once we look at the broker, we will look at the fee and the margin. Okay, so I have to compare the TD Ameritrade TOS and interactive broker. It's also called IBKR. For the stock and equity tradings, then TOS currently is give you the free commissions. They are charging you $0 for all the trade that you enter for the stock. And then for the IB, there is a minimum $1. So no matter how many you press the fractional share, you buy the fractional share, the orders, they still charge you $1 is a minimum. Then for the options, if you are the option traders, then TD Ameritrade their commission is lower down to 65 cents per contract. So if you trade the option, there is a round trade is about you buy and then you sell is about $1.30 per contract for two contract for round trade. Then for the for the interactive poker, they charge you $1 per contract. So if you buy and sell a round trade is about $2. So for the margin interest, okay, TD Ameritrade is charging the very high margin interest. What is the margin interest? Margin interest means once you are using the margin, the financing from the broker, then they will charge you a certain amount for the interest. TD Ameritrade is charging you 9%. This is very high. And for the interactive broker, they only charge you 1.59%. This is very low. So if you are the trader, you need to use a lot of the margin, then interactive poker will be much better for you. So for the withdrawal fee, TD Ameritrade is charging you $25 if you want to withdraw the money. For the interactive poker, they charge you $10, but they offer you one-time free charge in a month. So means that if you want to withdraw in the second time, then they charge you $10. So for both, as I know, if you deposit the money into both brokers, there is a fee of charge for a deposit. Okay, sometimes the trader may need to use a live data. For the TD Ameritrade, they offer you the free live data as long that you have deposit a certain amount is inside the account. Then for the interactive poker, you have to pay $4.50 per month if you want to have the live data in your platform. So generally, I will say that they are equally same in the fee and the margin. If you are the investor for the long term, you never use a margin, then TD Ameritrade will be good for you. If you are the trader, then you are using a very high margin, then interactive poker is most suitable for you. Okay, let's look at the trading platform. Okay, so for the mobile phone, there is the apps Android and iOS. Both TD Ameritrade and IBKR is offerings. For the desktop, Windows and iOS system, they are all the same. They are both also offer a paper trading, and they also have the web platform, the website versions. Yeah, so they are basically is the same. So for the trading product, there is a slightly difference. TD Ameritrade TOS is only offer the USA stock and equity, but for the interactive broker, they are offer the international market. Means that you can trade in the Singapore market, Hong Kong, China, or Europe, USA, all can trade in the interactive broker. But for TOS, you can only buy US market. They both offer the forex and then the options, futures as well. So in terms of the trading products, the interactive broker is slightly better than TD Ameritrade. Okay, so once you select the broker, there is some of the criteria that you have to look at. The first thing is you have to see that the broker is regulated by the country's government. If you are stay in Singapore, then you have to make sure that the broker that you are using is regulated by the Singapore MAS. This is because sometimes if the broker go bankrupt, then if they are regulated by your country government, then you can have a some cover by for yourself. Then second thing is you have to ensure that your broker is having a healthy financial report because you don't want that your broker go bankrupt. If your broker go bankrupt, then you have a lot of the issue. Personally, I have an experience that my forex broker they go bankrupt, so my money is stuck inside for 3 years. Then finally, I cannot get back 100%. I can only get back about 85 to 90%. Yeah, so this is from my experience. You have to ensure your broker is having a really healthy financial report in case they go bankrupt. And third thing is the effective customer service. Of course, we once you sometimes you have the problems in the trading platform or you orders you press ready then it does not trigger or anything wrong, then you need a customer service. So best to ensure that your broker is offering a 24 hours live chat. I think both TD Ameritrade and Interactive Broker are offering the 24 hours live chat. And then after that, you have to look at the trading fee, its commission, and some etc. etc. means some broker they will have the hidden fee. Yeah. Then you have to see the broker must offer you the very easy way to deposit and withdraw the fund because you don't want to have so much trouble. Sometimes you want to deposit, then you can immediately like within a half an hour you can see your money inside your broker account, then you can straight away buy and sell. Then after that you have to ensure the trading platform is user friendly because you're going to use it every day or more very frequently. You don't want to have a trouble with the trading platform. So these are the most basic six criteria that I feel that you must have in selecting the broker. So I'm going to share with you some of the like the interactive broker and the TD Ameritrade platform. So this is the screenshot from the interactive broker trader workstation TWS platform. As you can see, this is a charting software. You can see there is a SPY, CFD, daily candle. Then it's quite simple. Then there are some of the moving average. That this is a pricing. So I will say that IB giving you a very simple charting software. Then the charting software is look quite simple like that. So if you look at the TOS, okay, TOS their charting software I would say is one of the best so far I see in the market. So let's look at this one. Okay, so this is Tesla. Okay, you can see that Tesla then they will tell you that there is a price, bid and ask price. Then this is a 6-month daily candle. And then you can see from here there's a day, the date, and the open, high, low, and close. Yeah. So you can see I also put in the same moving averages and this is also the same candle. Then from this you can see that the TD Ameritrade is offering some of the drawing tool is here. So it's also the studies and patterns. So you can very easily to add in those indicators or you want to draw the chart. It's very easy for you to draw in these platforms. And then you can also notice that this is the uh, earning release date. So TD Ameritrade also offer you to see there is some earning day or company events. Yeah, so it's very convenient that you use this platform, then you can see everything. And you can see if I go back to the IB platforms, you can see yeah, IB also that's not very right. Yeah, it's very simple. There is not much thing in IB. TOS did offer you a very good platform for you to look at the chart. If you are the trader, then you are the technical analysis one, then you need the good charting software for you to do all your analysis. Yep. Okay, that's all for my sharing for today. Thank you very much. Thanks. See ya.